what more could you want for the perfect holiday stay here in Sonor, Bali? One more breakfast, 75k. It's very nice, that. This would be my choice of restaurant here on the beach here in Sonor. Busy here at Studio de Pantai even for morning. So outside you also have quite a few people inside there. Warung bakso panty. There's the chicken feet here. This is called Gina shop. Are you Gina? There's Gina herself. The lady. How much is the bicycle? How much? 50,000 for one day. There's a beautiful swimming pool area here at the Puri Santrian. Beach, leisure and dine. So here's your beautiful big swimming pool area here at the Prama Turtle Pool Bar in the back there. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So it's 9 AM, I'm here in Sonor, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour from Duyung Beach to Semawang Beach. So for me personally, this is going to be featured in today's video is the best location to stay for your holiday here in Sonor, Bali. So in this area today you're going to find some nice resort style accommodation. I shall take you in where I can and give you a full view of the places. I'll try and get you around the swimming pool areas, the dining facility areas, the relaxing areas on the beach, and also provide you a view of the beach locations of each resort. Also in this area you're going to find a fabulous collection of restaurant and warung style places to fulfill all of your hunger and thirst needs. There's also many water sports activities, massage on the beach. There's going to be a few local tourist goods shops also, bicycle rental. All in all, this area is just going to offer you the perfect holiday stay here in Sonor, Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll from Duyung Beach to Semawang Beach here in Sonor, Bali. Okay, so it's 9 AM, we're here at the Pantai Duyung sign, although otherwise known as Duyung Beach. Just in this direction here we have Limo Beach Café is the first one on the left here. Have seagrass by the beach and La Playa is in the distance. We're going to be making our way in this direction in today's video. Let's start a walk along Pantai Duyung Beach. So here we have Soraya the Grills. This isn't currently open here. Nice beautiful seating area. He's pointing out a squirrel to us that's running around the tree there. Next is Coco Bistro, also not too busy here in the morning for breakfast time. This is normally very busy of an evening. Fabulous restaurant. This serves fabulous food. I've featured this in a video. It's a beautiful seating area here on the beach. One more breakfast, 75k. Very nice that. Coffee time, coffee. Mixture of those things there. And some of the lunch packages if you want to come back later in the day for lunch. Beautiful seating area overlooking the ocean here at Coco Bistro. Is Bamboo Eatery and Bar, that's also closed. Next we have Umba, it's open but I don't see any customers. There's another beautiful seating area here again overlooking the ocean. Next is Barramundai Sonor. It's very high tide. The tide's just literally running along the base of the restaurants here. There's the Barramundai Sonor. on from the Barramundai Sanur, we have the Izakaya Bali. Some people on the bicycles driving past. The Izakaya Bali. It's a beautiful seating area outside here again, overlooking the ocean. The happy hours on the beers. Cocktails. Okay, just continuing on from Izakaya. Next, this is one of my personal favourites. This is Lilla Pantai. This place serves absolutely fabulous food, never disappoints. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. This would be my choice of restaurant here on the beach here in Sonor. Great value for money food also, the prices are not too high. It serves very good food. There's a little bit of the inside at this side of Lilla Pantai. You can see some customers inside. There's quite a few customers outside here at the front also. Breakfast is usually not too busy of a time at many of the restaurants because most people have breakfast included in their hotel accommodation. There's the inside of Lilla Pantai. Tea, 49k. This is a really fabulous place. It's next along the line we have the Nest beachside spa here in Sonor. This is one of the premier spas here on the beach. Fabulous spa. I've featured this in the video if any of you want to see the inside facility. Also has a little seating area outside here. Sorry, madam. Nest beachside spa has some beautiful artwork on the wall there. Let's continue walking along the track now. Have a little tourist information booth here. He's not here at the moment. We are only 9 AM in the morning. A little ladies and men's boutique clothing shop here called Summer Essentials. And then just next door to Summer Essentials we have a restaurant. This is a new restaurant called Sao. This used to be called Nelayan. Nice beautiful seating area on the beach here. Very beautiful. Some nice seating here at the front. It's okay, Justin? Yeah. I'll just take you inside. So here's the name. So you've got the name, Sao. I'll just take you inside and show you inside Sao. Beautiful seating area here. You also have some beautiful seating areas here by the window overlooking the ocean. Okay, so just moving on from Sao now, we'll continue walking. I think the next place is going to be Pier 8. Lots of people using bicycles here. So this is a place called Pier 8. So I'll just show you the seating area out the front here at the Pier 8. This is connected to the Intercontinental Hotel, Pier 8. As you can see by the board there. Seating area. So there's the Intercontinental there. We'll pick that up in a moment. I just want to show you the name. Here's Pier 8. Nice seating area out the front here. And there's a beautiful seating area inside Pier 8. Okay, so just from Pier 8, right next door, we have the Intercontinental Hotel. A beautiful seating area out here at the front of the Intercontinental. It's very nice. And this is a 5-star resort though, so you're going to expect high quality here. We'll show you your beach location here outside the Intercontinental. Some nice sun lounges here, also some nice tables and chairs just in the shade here a little bit. And here's your beach area here outside the Intercontinental. That is only seaweed at the edge of the ocean. That will be cleaned up during the day. Okay, back on the track now after a little venture onto the beach location here at the Intercontinental. So it's there on the back wall there, Intercontinental Bali Sanur Resort. It's the swimming pool area there. We can't go in and show you that one because security ain't going to let us in. You have to go through the security guard here on the entrance. So just on the corner here, this is a place called Tapa. This is also another very busy restaurant of an evening time. Has live music of an evening. It's a little bit quiet now. Again, like I say, they won't be too busy during breakfast because most people have the breakfast at their accommodation. You can see there's a few customers anyway having breakfast. It serves really good food, this Tapa. Seating area there inside. Just pick up the name for you, Tapa. This will be full of an evening time. Just show you they have live music every evening. Really good food at Tapa. I've featured that place in a video if you want to see what the food looks like. Now we're heading and making our way around the corner now. See all the fishing boats here. Fast boat to Lembongan, Panidia, Lombok, Gillies, all available here. It's all of your water sports activities also. Many different things available here on the beach in Sonor. Let's continue walking along. So just to the right here we have like a local little warung selling snacks and drinks and things. WC toilet and shower 3,000. Next we're going to be coming up to a place called Studio de Pantai. This is where we start Pantai Semawang. So there we are, we've reached Pantai Semawang now from, we're leaving Duyung beach area. This is Studio de Pantai. This is normally a very popular restaurant, again, particularly on a weekend of an evening. We also have live entertainment, live music here at night. Promo on the beer. Seating area here just on the above the ocean, still on the beach. Have a promenade also here that leads out to the ocean. continue on. So there's some toilets again in the back there, 5,000 and 3,000. Just in the back there. So just on the corner here, if you want a massage from one of the ladies on the beach, we have massage on the corner here. Massage centre 1. There's all of your treatments available here. And these 2 lovely ladies in the back there. Hello, good morning ladies.
I do you massage?
No, thank you, I'm making video. Have all of the inflatables available for rent here from the kids, usually 10, 15, 20,000 depending on the size of the inflatable. I think it's usually for 1 hour. You have a collection of sunbeds also for rent. It's usually 50,000 per sunbed per person per day. In the sky there. Some bicycle rental and things again here on the beach. It's usually a little bit expensive on the beach with the renting of the bicycles. Just negotiate is my advice to you. Have some for the kids as well here. Batman bike there. Many little different size bikes for all kid types. It's just from that lady over there sat on the beach. Have one here as well for Safateri guest house. So you have lots of sunbeds and things available for rent here also. Okay, so next we're coming up to an area called Area Belanja. This is a collection of local warungs here on the beach here at Semawang Beach. That's the name. Area Belanja, Semawang. Many of these aren't going to be open now, I think, this early in the morning. Just simple little warungs here on the beach. Some are open, some are not. There's not really much activity here at this time on the beach. Probably going to be busy later in an afternoon or at night. Hello, good morning, how are you, madam? Warung Nanda here. You can see they sell all just simple Indonesian foods. Also many have Western dishes as well. Lots of snacks, drinks. There's all your different collection of drinks available here. It's just on display. She also has some in the fridge there if you want cold. Warung bakso panty. There's the chicken feet here. I'm not a fan of this, but many Indonesians love that. Warung godal. Warung Muslim Vivi. Hello, Warung menu. Many different foods and things available here from the warungs. Warung Bu Novi. So many warungs here, but most of them are closed now at this time in the morning, so don't come here for breakfast. Jackfish. Titties warung Bali Sanur. Also has some sunbeds for rent here at Titties. There's the name, Titties Warung. Just continue walking. Okay, so just as we continue walking now, we're going to approach a collection of little tourist goods shops here on the beach, particularly selling ladies' dresses and things, or ladies' clothes. As you can see, there's a big collection of ladies' dresses and things there, all different colours, all different styles. They also have some men's tropical shirts in there. This is called Gina shop. Are you Gina? There's Gina herself, the lady herself. She also has a nice collection of hats and things here. Some funky little doggies as well. Some nice colourful sarongs also. You can see lots of ladies' clothing, men's singlets if you want the singlets to stay cool on the beach here. Kids' clothes also. Cheap price. And just continue walking along the line here. So you're going to find lots of areas like this with bicycles and things available for rent during the beach. However, as a general rule of thumb, you're going to get, if you're looking for better value for money, better off the tourist streets. If money's no object, then by all means give the locals the trade here on the beach. Bicycle for rent, yeah. How much is the bicycle? How much? 50,000 for one day. Okay, and that's for the kids as well, yeah?
For the kids,
How much is the kids? 40. So they're 40,000 for one day for the kids, 50,000 for one day for the adults. All look relatively like new bikes. Thank you so much, madam.
okay, thank you. See you.
See you. So it's nice to know that they're coming a little bit more in line with the prices of what they should be, because they used to be very expensive here on the beach. Have a nice collection of sunbeds for rent here also. Many of them already reserved here. Just people sat relaxing. Nice little section of beach. Just wooden sunbeds, nice soft cushion top. Okay, so just from all of a sunbed rental there, we'll continue walking along the line. Next we're going to be approaching the Puri Santrian. It's already starting here now, the Puri Santrian. You can see the nice seating areas here. These do have a canopy that folds up and protects you from the sun. They're all folded down at the moment because we're still during the morning. They're still in the shade here. You can see there's already guests that are staying at the Puri Santrian on there. Some nice sun lounges here. Okay, we'll just take you into the Puri Santrian and give you a view of the swimming pool. So you can see you have all these beautiful relaxing areas here, all full with guests. I'll just take you around the side and show you the swimming pool area. There's your beautiful swimming pool area here at the Puri Santrian. Okay, just continuing on from our view into the swimming pool. So you have these beautiful, nice, relaxing areas here also. A swinging chair here. And just here we have an area overlooking the ocean for dining. Restaurant areas in the back there. There's quite a few guests here eating here, just overlooking the ocean here. We'll just get onto the beach leisure and dine. From aboard there, we'll just take you and show you some of the Western and Indonesian food available here at the Puri Santrian. Some of your nice looking food available from here at the Puri Santrian. Also have some Indonesian and Thai food dishes. Looks very nice. There's a Thai sweet and sour fish, pad Thai also. Beautiful seating here at the Puri Santrian. Bliss meets pure relaxation. Puri Santrian. The areas there out in the ocean for relaxing. They're just cleaning the seaweed on the beach now. Okay, so just from the Puri Santrian we're going to continue walking along this little section here. There's not really much here. I'm going to switch the camera off until we get to the next section. Okay, so we've just walked from that little section there from the Puri Santrian. Now we've arrived at the next section. This is a collection of shops again, selling all your typical tourist goods. Lots of ladies' clothing in particular again, I see. Also some men's clothing, singlets. Kuta Bali singlet there. Ladies' clothing, buckets and spades for the kids. Have a massage on the beach from the ladies here, usually 100,000 for 1 hour. Got some balls and things there if you want to buy for the kids. Buckets and spades also. Some snorkels, glasses, goggles. Some people already having massage on the beach here.
Do massage and take you the video.
Oh, thank you, Rob. Just here we have a place called Costa by Monster. Don't think this is open yet. Oh no, it looks as though it may be. Costa by Monster. Very beautiful seating area here. Free flow on the wine. There's your little seating area here on the beach. Got a little shield at the front to protect you from the wind. We have beach massage just next door here. Beach massage. Okay, so just from beach massage we have Bobby's Bar and Restaurant. So here's Bobby's Bar and Restaurant outside seating area. There's the inside of Bobby's Bar and Restaurant. I'll just show you the name just so you know where I'm talking about. Show you some of what's available here at Bobby's. There's some of the beers, happy hours, some simple Indonesian foods here. It's a collection of wooden tables and chairs inside there at Bobby's. Hello, good morning, how are you? Seafood as well here at Bobby's. Also have some Western dishes here, steak, sandwiches and burgers. Also serve pizzas as well. A little tourist information tour booking service office just next door here. All your water sports and things there. There's some jet skis. And then now we've arrived at the Puri Sanur. Just take you inside the Puri Sanur. So here's your beautiful big swimming pool area here at the Puri. Turtle pool bar in the back there, all the rooms in the back. So beautiful. So just from a swimming pool area there at the Puri, here's your beach location here at the Puri. Quite a few guests lying out on the sun lounges here. Just make our way along the pathway again. These beautiful beanbag soft cushion seating areas also here at the Puri. Your seating runs all the way along. There's the restaurant area, because there's lots of customers having their breakfast here. So you can see there's lots of sun lounges. We'll just take you through the Puri Sanur entrance here to the beach, and we'll show you the beach location. So here's all your synthetic chairs, soft cushion tops. And here's your beach area here at the Puri. Again, you have some seaweed at the edge of the ocean, don't worry about that, they will clean it up during the day. Like a little place here for waffles and ice cream and things. Gelato, 11 till 6. Let's take you inside and show you the kids pool area here. So we have two swimming pools here at the Puri. And the sun lounges. And there's the kids swimming pool area. Okay, so just from the Puri kids swimming pool area, we'll continue walking along the line now. This is the bamboo bar and lounge, however it's under major construction work. Wow. This is usually a very beautiful place here on the beach. Not quite sure what's going on here. Looks as though they're dismantling it. Wow. The construction work looks as though it's having a complete revamp. This is a really nice place usually on the beach here. I don't know why they're taking the bamboo bar and lounge down. It's usually very popular. Have a swing here. Next we have Basilico Italian Pavilion. This isn't going to be open. I think this opens at 11 or 12 midday. Nice little seating area here on the wooden decked area. Basilico Italian Pavilion and Bar, that's called. Next we have Rip Curl School of Surf coming up on the right. A little place here selling some things. And just next door to a tourist goods shop, for any of you travelling as a family or with kids and want some rental for some carts and things. Have this as a 4-person for the family there. You can ride on the public footpath on these. Have some single ones available here. Have 2-person ones. Here's the prices, located for 30 minutes. Age 3 to 8. Okay, so just from our cart rental there, we'll continue walking. So this is the RIP school, surf school. There's various water sports and things, also gives lessons. Has the e-foil, which I'll just show you in a minute. So you can have lessons as well. Just book everything from in there. Multiple things available here. So next we're going to have, I think it's called the beach. It's like a coffee shop and also a spa here. So this is the beach spa. Just show you beach spa. Just into the back there. We'll just take you and show you the so all of your massage and things you can have outside under the gazebos there. Spas in the back. I featured this in another video. There's a nice little pool area here. Have cold plunge ice baths here in the back. Hot spa here. Nice little seating area. So just coming out of a spa area, here's the cafe area. Just take you around the front as well and show you that. So it's called the Beach Cafe Spa and Sauna. Some of the things available from on the menu here start from 7:30 AM. It's like a thatched bird style nest roof. Nice little seating area inside there. So coming up next is a place called Retro Beach. Quite a few dogs here in this location. So I'll just pick up and show you the name, Retro Beach. Retro Beach and Restaurant. It's had a new sign installed on the top there. So you have a little seating area inside here. I'll just show you. Girls just taking some food out there. Here's the inside of the Retro Beach. Show you some of what's on the menu here. There's your little seating area here at Retro Beach. Also have a happy hour. Relax and enjoy. And we just continue. Now we've approached an area called, I don't even know how you pronounce this, but this is like a kids play area. Another little tours booking service there. Or tours booking booth. Surf school and taxi out. So have some more ladies on the beach here offering the massage and things again on the beds there. Hello, good morning, how are you? Nice friendly ladies, massage there. Just opposite the ladies with the massage, we have a toilet and board house. Toilet, toilet! And then just coming here, we have the kids play area. We also have some exercise equipment for adults and kids. This is all free to use if anyone wants to use this. Big kids play area here with all the apparatus and things. More in the back, there's some swings and things in the back there. It's like all for different ages of kids. A nice area here also. More in the back there. And then this is the Mercure resort area now that we're reaching. So there's the Mercure already in the side there. So we'll just take you up to this pathway first of all and just see if we can have a view of the Mercure swimming pool. So there's the Mercure swimming pool there. And cascading water features, nice collection of sun lounges at the back here. Also have a pool bar at the back there. We'll show you that from the other side in a minute. We have the Isle of Sonor Mercure Bali Resort. Wow, so beautiful. Picture perfect moment. We've got copyright music going on, so I'm going to have to override the music. There's the hillside bar from the other side. Just soon to show you some of what's available here. Your seating area here at the Mercure. We'll just take you out and show you what the beach area looks like here at the Mercure and the sun lounges. Looks as though someone's maybe preparing this for a wedding or something. So here's your sun lounges here at the Mercure, synthetic sun lounges, soft cushion tops. And here's your beach location here at the Mercure. Okay, so we're just back on the track now here at the back of the Mercure beach location. Next in line we have a place called the Genius Cafe. This is usually quite a popular place again here on the beach. There's the name, Genius Cafe Sonor. All day craft beer, buy one get one free. Quite a few people here sat on the beach, different styles of seating. Some soft cushion beanbag seating towards the front. Genius Cafe turtle release. There's the inside seating area here at the Genius Cafe. Quite a few customers here. Some Genius Cafe coconuts. And this is where we're going to finish now. We're just going to turn around and give you one view over the Genius Cafe. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my beach walking tour from Duyung Beach through to Semawang Beach here in Sonor. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, you've got a nice collection of accommodation options in this beach locations. You've also got a fabulous collection of beachside restaurants, bars, etc. Massage on the beach. You've got water sport options available to you. You've also got some bicycle rental, a few little tourist goods shops also. What more could you want for the perfect holiday stay here in Sonor, Bali? So on that note, hope you've enjoyed today's video. If any of you are staying in these locations here in Sonor, Bali, then hopefully you find this video useful and helpful to you, and I'm going to visit some of the places featured in today's video, and I shall say bye for now.